is a nice little scooter I've never seen before.
Looks nice, beautiful.
Yeah, I never saw one before.
What is it?
I don't know. From Virginia. It's interesting.
Very interesting.
Nice
Very
color.
stable. Very stable.
Yeah. I guess it's considered a motorcycle?
No, I would say so. Well, it's a new Vespa has 3 wheels. You know the scooter, no?
Piaggio has
Yeah, Piaggio has 3 wheels.
MP3.
Yeah.
Or MP5. Yeah, this looks nice. It's big.
Looks like a car. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not, look at that.